How to download TradingView app on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for TradingView. So, it will pop up in the first. Tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing this logo and also verify by this company's name, TradingView Inc. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this install button. Tap on install. So what is this application? This application is a TradingView which shows you charts of other stocks and different shares that you want to see of. So it will take some time. So let's wait, and you can directly install and log in with your account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.